Assalamualaikum students, this is your science class and I am your teacher Miss Shazeen. Our topic is senses. Our senses allow us to observe and understand the world around us, which means our senses help us to do each and every work. Now we have 5 senses: see, smell, hear, touch and taste. Our eyes help us in seeing everything, which means we see with our eyes. We smell with our nose, which means our nose help us in smell. We hear with our ears, which means our ears help us in hearing. We touch with our hands, which means our hands help us in touching anything. We taste with our tongue, which means our tongue helps. Now you all understand what are senses. Now take out page number 15 in your science book. Our first topic is the 5 senses seen. Now on the upper part we have a poem written. Just read out the poem and then look at the questions below. We have 4 questions here. Number 1 is how many eyes do you have? As we all know, how many eyes do we have? Just write it down. The second question is what do you use your eyes for? What do we use our eyes for? You already know the answer. Just write it down. Number 3, name something you like to see. It could be anything that you like to see. It's all up to your choice. Number 4 is name something you don't like to see. Here you have to write anything that you don't like to see. Could be garbage or anything, dustbin or anything that you don't like. Now coming to page number 16, look at the pictures below and put them in the correct box. Now here we have 6 pictures and 2 columns. In the first column I can see, in the second column I can't see. Now here you have to write the names of the things which you can see here and the name of the things which you cannot see with your eyes here in this column, and you have to complete this page. Okay class, our next topic is parts of eyes. We have some parts of eyes. Number 1 is eyebrow. As you all know what is eyebrows, eyelashes. The small hairs on our eyes are called eyelashes. Iris. Iris is the colored part of our eye. Colored part, some people have brown eyes, some people have green eyes, some people have black eyes. This colored part is called iris. Next part is pupil. Pupil is the black center part of the eye that is in the iris. A black dot in the iris is called pupil. The next part is eyelids. Eyelids is the part where our eyelashes grow. Sclera. Sclera is the part which is the white colored part of our eye. Now you have understand the parts of eye. Take out page number 17 in your science book. Here we have a picture of eye and we have some fill in the blanks to solve. Use a word from the following list to complete the sentences. Here 6 words are written in the box. You have to fill in the blanks with the help of these word banks and you have to choose the correct word for the correct blanks. Alright class, now take out page number 18. On page number 18 we have an other sense, that is smelling, and we smell with the help of our nose. In the first part we have a poem written. Just read out the poem and solve the questions below. Question number 1, how many noses do you have? How many nostrils do you have? Nostrils are the small openings of the nose. Name a smell you like. You have to write any smell that you like. Name a smell you don't like. Here you have to write a smell that you don't like. Alright class, now take out page number 19. Look at the pictures and write them in the correct box below. Here we have 6 pictures and we have to write them in the correct column. Flower, sun and cloud, fry pan, squirrel, spoon and cheese. The things which you can smell you have to write in this columns, and the things which you cannot smell you have to write in this column. Okay class, now take our page number 20. Here we have another sense, taste, and we taste with the help of our tongue. Now there is a poem written in the upper part. Just read out the poem and solve the questions below. How many tongues do you have? What else do you have in your mouth? Name a taste you like. Anything that you like to taste. Name a taste you don't like. Just write the name of the thing that you don't like. Now after that, come to page number 21. Look at the pictures and put them in the correct box below. Now we have some pictures here. We have to put them in the correct column. The things which we can taste here in this column, and the things which we cannot taste in this column.